microbiology,
Yeah.
all the research that's going on right now, what we're discovering about soil food networks and how plants actually spend most of their energy, right? So they break carbons off of CO2 in photosynthesis. Those they turn into sugars, right?
Yeah.
And they spend most of those sugars actually secreting hormones into the ground that they use to communicate with fungi, bacteria, this whole ecosystem that lives down there. So say the plant needs calcium, it'll send a signal to this fungi. Fungi are miners, right? It'll go over to the calcium that's mineralized, that isn't plant available, break it down, bring it back to the plant. A bacteria, literally, and this is like newly discovered, will enter the root hair of a plant. The root of the plant will take apart the membrane. It will reprogram the RNA of this bacteria, reassemble the bacteria, and then send it back out to go forage for what it needs, right?
That's
so what's
crazy.
happening in soil? I think soil health is something that can be a huge part of solving our food security and climate problems. 70% of our fresh water is going into agriculture. And I mean, we're Korean natural farming, Japanese natural farming, and just building soil. I want everyone who has any kind of inkling here to look into this, because it has the potential to not only save all that water, but we do not need to be pretty much don't need to be fertilizing our soil, right? Some dry amendments, whatever, but they're very natural.
Yeah.
And then you create the microbial life that is able to turn those amendments and what's already there, just rocks, into plant available nutrition.